everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be working in the office. This actually previously used to be the dining room, but I moved everything in here just because it made more sense with the flow of the house. We're going to break this office makeover kind of into sections. So today we're just going to focus on the computer desk. So try to ignore the mess over to the side. I have like a lot of gardening stuff and stuff I need to repair. And then I have my little doom pile of picture frames and other things. And we're just going to focus on this beautiful desk. I got it from the Restore for $50 and it does have a little bit of scuff marks on it. And I'm trying to debate on whether I want to try to refinish it, but I absolutely love the color of this wood tone with the blue from the bookcases and then the green paint we chose for the wall. So yeah, you can see the scuffs kind of when you zoom in, but it's not a big deal. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean up the desk. I have some furniture polish. I'm just gonna clean it up. And then to protect it a little bit more, we're going to lay down this mouse pad. It's double-sided. There's a gold side and then there is a, I don't know, like a gray side. I'm gonna put it on the gray side. I don't really like the gold. I've had this for a while and if I could go back, I would pick a different color, I think. Maybe a nice green would be in my future. But yeah, I set that a little bit off center because I'm right-handed. And then I have this calendar from Target. Just gonna lay it there. I have not used this. It's already April and I haven't used this yet, but I still love just having it out. I picked this vase up from the thrift store a couple of months back. And I got it for like $5 and then I looked it up and this is like a 100% brass vase that I got. And then you're gonna see me put this floral arrangement in here and I don't like it. I think I would be better suited to have some either fresh dried hydrangeas or a really nice faux hydrangea arrangement in there. So you're gonna see me take this out and scrap that. And I'm just gonna leave it empty until I find exactly what it is that I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down my little cups that I keep my pens and my highlighters in. The blue vase that is there, my husband actually got that for me for Christmas. So it's just really cute. I like having it there. I like being able to look at it. And I just put my highlighters and my pencils in there. There's nothing really too aesthetic about it. It's just stuff that we need, necessities. And then I found this tray. It's like a small faux leather tray from Ross and it was on sale. It was like $3. And I'm just gonna put that in the corner and then put stuff that I kind of just reach for and need when I'm sitting at my desk, like chapstick, cuticle oil, hand sanitizer. I even put some aspirin in there. And then I'm kind of trying to cover up that big hand sanitizer bottle with this little statue I got from the thrift store a long time ago. And then I have a planner to jot down notes, write down my kind of plans for today. And now we're gonna move over to the bookcases. So I am stacking stuff. You're gonna see me do a couple different arrangements here just to see like what looks the best and what flows the best. I'm putting my photo boxes up there. I'm putting my box that I'm using to organize my scrapbook supplies. I have this basket of yarn. And like I said, you're gonna see me do a couple different arrangements. I put that file box up there and I ended up taking it back down. I tried my yarn basket on the other side, but it just wasn't fitting. And then I ultimately decided to put my books up with the yarn. And these are my books that I reference when I'm looking for like home decor and design. So I have like flower arranging books, my Martha Stewart books, which I have a pretty good collection of Martha Stewart books and I reference them a lot. One thing I do want to invest in is getting some bookends, maybe some clear bookends to kind of hold that together when I take down my yarn. As you can see, I didn't finish painting the bookcase, so I went ahead and did that. And this area is finished. So eventually this room is going to get crown molding. It's going to get different overhead lighting. It's going to be trimmed, different fabrics, curtains, all kinds of things. But like I said, today we're just going to focus on the desk and I love it. I think it came out super nice. And like I said, this is just phase one. I have a whole craft table that I have to do. I have a large piece of furniture that I just purchased for this room that I'm excited to style and decorate and kind of just see this space evolve. Thanks for watching. Bye.